get it, baby. Get closer. Get closer to Daddy. Wow, Daddy caught that one. Good job. For the love of Pete.
See how I do that?
Oh, so close, baby. Wind it up and throw it.
Okay, ready?
Oh, no. Okay, try again. Little frog in my throat there.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Frog.
Alright, it's all those cigars I smoke. You got scared of a 6-year-old's toss. Ah! For the love of Pete!
That was a super throw, huh? Not for the love of you get that skewer.
Don't, no sticks. No sticks.
Bring the heat.
I love the wind up. Hold your mitt down. Hold your mitt down, sweetie. Daddy's not going to hit your face.
What are you doing? Take the ball off.
You gotta take it off there. I know it's hard. You still gotta do it. Nice throw. One of these days she's gonna get it.
Yeah, one of these days.
You don't want to play anymore? Should we go play in the sandbox now? Okay.